Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful lace pattern for you. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern you need to cast on multiple of 8 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for border. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 19 stitches. Row first from right side, slip 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Now repeat pattern, yarn over and then knit 1 stitch. Repeat 5 times, yarn over and knit 1 stitch. After repeating 5 times, yarn over and then knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Again yarn over and knit 1 stitch 5 times. Yarn over and knit 2 stitches together at the end of the row. Now purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side, slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. Knit all stitches. Complete till the end of the row. We have completed our second row from back side. Now third row from front side. Slip first stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop and then knit 9 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. After that knit 3 stitches together from back loop. This is our first repeat pattern. Now knit 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. At the end of row, we have to knit 2 stitches together instead of 3 stitches together. Now knit edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Fourth row from wrong side. Slip 1 stitch, edge stitch, and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our fourth row from wrong side. Now fifth row from right side. Slip 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together. Now start repeat pattern. Knit 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now knit 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now last 3 stitches. Knit 2 stitches together from back loop and knit edge stitch. Here we have completed our fifth row. Now sixth row from wrong side. Slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our sixth row. Repeat these 6 rows until we reach our desired length. After completing 6th row, we will clearly observe the curve of the lace pattern. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, bye till then. Bye bye.